time management. Management of time. That is what we'll be discussing on today's episode of Minutes with Minister Mike. Time management. Management of time. You've heard it over and over again. Manage your time. Time management courses abound. Books abound. Giving us strategies, tactics, hacks on how we can effectively manage our time. See, one thing that we both agree about is that time happens to us whether we like it or not. Time happens to us whether we even prepare for it or not. If you woke up every day, after you've woken up every day and you sat down doing nothing, time will happen to you. If you are on the other side, you woke up and did everything that you want to do, time will definitely happen to you also. It happens at the same time. Alright, so how can we even manage time that we cannot control? How can we manage what we cannot even control? I don't think we can manage time. Yeah, I understand time management. But one thing I learned studying time management is that it is not time that we are managing. What we are managing are our priorities. And that is exactly what I want you to know and flip in your mind. You don't need to watch your clock. Yes, I know you need to set time. But what you can set is your priority. What you can set are your priorities. And that you can manage effectively. Look at what you want to achieve today. Alright? Look at what you want to achieve this week. Okay? Look at everything that you've decided to achieve. 5, 10, 12 points on your sheet of paper, on your notepad, inside your journal. Prioritize them. That is the effective way to manage your time. By managing your priorities. When you say you want to write 1, 2, 5, 10 paragraphs in that new book of yours, do that. Do that and do that effectively alone. And that is the only thing you must do as at that particular time. Now you've decided that no, after that, I want to rest for 15 minutes. Rest for 15 minutes. No. I'm not saying you should flip through your phones while you are lying back on your head. That's not resting. That's idling. You're just idling away. Alright? That's not resting. Rest. Play some classical music like I do. I have some different form of classical music. From Sufis, classical music, Indian. I have different moods. Go on some playlists and download those kind of music that can set you in the mood of relaxation. Just sleep if you have to. Close your eyes. Be with your thought. Be with yourself. I'm not saying you should start flipping through a book. No, you want to rest for 15 minutes. And that is what you need to do. Do you understand what I'm saying? Priorities. Managing your priorities right will help you manage your time right. Check the list that you have before you. How can you readjust those priorities and give priorities to the things in your life that will move the needle, that will grow you, that will make you better, that will make you achieve the goals and the plans that you've had or you have for yourself. Time management is the management of priorities. And that's it on Minutes with Minister Mike. Thank you for joining me on this channel. Like, subscribe, and share.